Guys, I want to do another continuation of the, I want to explore this road inaitwa aje kwenda chini. The one with the UNEP, Gigiri. I'll get Limuru Road, sorry. Limuru Road, and I want to stretch it up to Thika Road. That is what we are going to do, a scenic route, a scenic ride. Let's say that. Because there's a time I wanted to shoot this side, but I think I didn't, mount the camera properly, and I lost the footage. So this time I want to do it, the full stretch. It has some nice scenic roads, and I hope this golden hour, you see the way I'm popping, and we can get this amazing shot. If it's your first time, do consider subscribe, comment, like, and share. Let me mount the camera on top of the car, and we do this. Cheers.
Long time ago, kitambo sana zamani, long time ago, ni kitambo tangu tuonge. I don't even know how you doing, hizo kamba basi tulekeze, hadi waulize how did you win. It's through the hard work, that's what I would say, so they know. Never ask again, now you know. So go and do the same, go and do the same, go and do the same. Oh, mina ngoja tupatane, hey, mara ya pili tujuane, hey, nikushow, na unishow, tusemezane. Now you see me, now you don't. Pray the line and join the dots. Hey, see the light and join the Lord. Walk through the fire burning hot. Hey, I'm testing him, so why you not? Shida zangu zote ye husot. I'm just posting all the battles that he fought. I ain't no failing, to me it's just a thought. All the praises directed to the Lord. Kitambo sana zamani, long time ago. 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 tryna multiply so that I can fly. I've been thinking prosperity, I'm aiming for serenity. I've got the game, now I'm heading for the penalty. I was blind, now I'm begging you, please let me see. Every day I wake up feeling free and easy. That's why I always mean a bigger teasy. Siwezi give up hata wakinita cheesy. Always running hard, shinda working busy. Music industry, I'm coming in so hard. Always staying focused even when they tear apart. I remember when they shaved my hair, I was bald. But I never give up, so they've got to end up sad. Mom and dad screaming now, they say that I'm absurd. But I've got to give up all the praises to my God. I'll go and master melodies of music that I've heard. Even though I hear the men that say I'm breaking bad.
24/7 hustle, ndio maana tufungi macho. Asubuhi na mchana tuko grind mode. CBD downtown hadi commercial. 24/7 hustle, ndio maana tufungi macho. Asubuhi na mchana tuko grind mode. CBD downtown hadi commercial.
Niko hii mtaa napambana vile nafajo usiku sijalala, staki kulala njaa. Nipatie hiyo chance tuone kama nitapaa. Life ya kihuni bad mtoto ni kifaa. Jua jo inazama na hatuna idhaa. Tuko biashara but hakuna bidhaa. Hasta la vista basi bye bye. Mambo si mzuri hapa so why lie. Ni dream ya kutoka kwa block. Mtaa zingine vijana wanatoka na Glock. Nishachoka kukalia rock 24/7 basi nikicheki my clock. Ni dream ya kutoka kwa block. Mtaa zingine vijana wanatoka na Glock. Nishachoka kukalia rock 24/7 basi nikicheki my clock. Hey.
24/7 hustle, ndio maana tufungi macho. Asubuhi na mchana tuko grind mode. CBD downtown hadi commercial. 24/7 hustle, ndio maana tufungi macho. Asubuhi na mchana tuko grind mode. CBD downtown hadi commercial.
Hey yo, hold up, I'm on it, come up. Chilling like a lazy bum, me I cannot. This paper got me waving flags like Kenan. Ikifika kesho, mi narudi tena. Pomoka ndo plan A, bado ndiyo plan B. Najiskuma daily, no matter what they see. On track na swale, with my boy AB. On my toes ballet, nikichase that pay. Bank account minus, yo ruin my day. Okay boss, I'm a go-getter. Neza flow better, grinding every weather. Nataka soft leather, hamtaiweza. I need more pepper, ndo ni keep it fresher. Nyi mkilala, vijana tumekesha. Negative issues, back to the sender. Last drop ya toothpaste, huwa sina pressure.
24/7 hustle, ndio maana tufungi macho. Asubuhi na mchana tuko grind mode. CBD downtown hadi commercial. 24/7 hustle, ndio maana tufungi macho. Asubuhi na mchana tuko grind mode. CBD downtown hadi commercial.
is what I do this for. Making dough, baby, you never know. Fame and more, oh, that's for sure. And I'ma do this again, cause I was made for the game. 244 is what I do this for. Making dough, baby, you never know. fame and more, that's for sure. And I'ma do this again cause I was made for the game.
Sishangae majama jumini mtu wa kawaida na wapea teachings daily kama mawaida. Mahaters na chat now tu daily kwa cyber nikikill their dreams na kupata mafaida. Nina peel back the mask kama Miguna na Raila. Hawana maagenda na kupea maraya. Drunk with fame but still wana mwaga saliva. Lyrically wako dead last ndo ma survivor. Siezi ngiza njeve cause it's too early. Kwa street na guns to commit na Hussein Ali. Guess what, mini gangster ama jambazi. Unafurisha sura mashavu kama Mandas. Ready kwa chiga siezi commit madazi. Gunpoint kwa akili there is no mercy. Toka nduki kwani woni kuna no mercy. Hivi ndivyo tunadu kama manoma dik. Ngoma zetu ni kali so tunawabandem. 254 imekuwa kama anthem. Game over Kadete Osama Bin Laden. Take over Obama all of a sudden. Yeah.
254 is what I do this for. Making dough, baby, you never know. Fame and more, that's for sure. And I'ma do this again cause I was made for the game. 254 is what I do this for. Making dough, baby, you never know. Fame and more, that's for sure. And I'ma do this again cause I was made for the game.
Yo, I'm just a male rapper, but I got different shoes. Cause I keep these haters close to me, I got different views. And if these haters try to judge me, I just get confused. But I didn't say confused, I said refused, that's what I used. And I keep fighting all these bombs, but they keep diffused. I'm addicted to this rap game like a drug abuse. All my allies try to help me, but I get amused. And I get the boost, and these haters try to get the boost. I keep it loose, but these fools try to get me loose. Then I got the tools that I never even gotta use. I gotta choose between haters, lovers, all these fools. But I make it loose, cause I choose all these fucking fools. Sometimes I feel denied, but if the music play is mine, I keep in mind that someday I get these fans that whip in mine and I decide. And I choose to keep crazy beside. And handle all these haters, the shady style. To get to me, all your haters fake us up to buy. But I got all of you and told you all in River Nile and then I smile. I done living yo in 7 miles, I'm at mile. I keep these haters in a set for 5.
254 is what I do this for. Making dough, baby, you never know. Fame and more, that's for sure. And I'ma do this again cause I was made for the game. 254 is what I do this for. Making dough, baby, you never know. Fame and more, that's for sure. And I'ma do this again cause I was made for the game.
254 street anthem, hope haters wanna get the fact. Waki creep na stack fingers then wanna get fucked. Flondo rap emblem, hope rappers wanna get trapped. Or I'ma turn them to shadows and drive them off bad. This the episode for blackouts, nigga, light your candles. You don't rap it F out in the fight for medal. This Gondo the Goliath and I'm the nigga on the sling. Se mean sling na mean the mic but 2 attach string. Junkial rhymes for the beat, lyrical terror and don't bring. Red flag in the sky cause I'm about to stop play. Ni paridol of the spy all over my rap, eh. Ni wa grade chai wana Ethiopia ka president tail. I'm losing it but they don't wanna make me sound stupid. I'm loving it so let me speak to y'all like I was Cupid. Cause I got this cute bitch hip hop, she's one of a kind. Love and passion already, ni Shazi Vine. I'm doing big, doing me, sinking walk rapper slow. Then I gotta teach them on how to rap 254, yeah.
254 is what I do this for. Making dough, baby, you never know. Fame and more, that's for sure. And I'ma do this again cause I was made for the game. 254 is what I do this for. Making dough, baby, you never know. Fame and more, that's for sure. And I'ma do this again cause I was made for the game.